The Titan XD faces significant engine issues, particularly linked to the Cummins diesel engine's EGR system and frequent turbocharger failures. This results in expensive repairs that potential buyers should carefully consider. Moreover, the repair costs for the Nissan Titan XD can be exorbitantly high, primarily due to costly parts and limited availability of diesel mechanics trained by Nissan. This adds an extra layer of financial strain for owners. Additionally, the Titan XD's resale value suffers markedly from its reputation for unreliability, causing rapid depreciation that leaves owners with a disappointing return on investment. This is a critical factor for prospective buyers. In contrast, Chevrolet Colorado owners frequently report issues with transmission failures, particularly concerning shifting delays and complete breakdowns, especially in models from 2019 onwards. Furthermore, engine malfunctions, such as frequent misfires and unexpected stalling, have caused many Colorado owners to fail emissions tests and incur hefty repair bills. The Colorado's interior has also faced criticism for its lack of quality and comfort, which, coupled with high annual repair costs, creates a financial burden for many owners. Transitioning to the Triton engine, its spark plug design poses significant challenges, often leading to breakage upon removal. This situation can result in extensive damage and expensive repairs. The F-150-2 experiences a decline in resale value due to its reliability issues. Potential buyers are increasingly aware of these concerns, which often leads to lower offers for sellers. In addition to engine problems, the F-150 also faces complaints about transmission failures and head gasket leaks, prompting owners to make frequent visits to the mechanic. Performance-related issues in the X-Class are notable, particularly concerning power steering failures and sudden loss of engine power. These complications lead to a frustrating experience for drivers. Customer feedback reveals profound disappointment among X-Class owners, with numerous online complaints highlighting safety issues and a lack of reliability in what is supposed to be a premium vehicle. Comparatively, the GMC Canyon also grapples with serious reliability concerns, including transmission failures and engine explosions, further emphasizing the risks associated with investing in unreliable trucks. Consequently, it's crucial for buyers in the pickup truck market to prioritize reliability over luxury appeal. Many luxury trucks encounter significant mechanical challenges despite their upscale branding. The Lordstown Endurance, an electric pickup, carries its own reliability and support concerns. With the company's precarious financial situation, potential buyers should proceed with caution. Emerging models like the Hyundai Santa Cruz present innovative designs, but are not without reliability issues. Buyers should remain vigilant, as attractive appearances might conceal deeper problems. Engine failures associated with the temperature control unit can cause severe overheating, resulting in substantial damage and costly repairs or complete engine replacements for frustrated owners. Additionally, electrical problems, such as infotainment system glitches and headlight failures, add to owner frustrations, highlighting a significant gap in the vehicle's technology and overall reliability. Lastly, the Toyota Tacoma, once celebrated for its reliability, now shows troubling decline with recent transmission issues and outdated technology, potentially disheartening modern buyers.